What is HTML font size in percentage option in OxyMade Fluid Settings? Inside Base Design Set section, click on Fluid Text Settings. It opens the Fluid Settings slide. So what is the 62.5 value in HTML font size in percentage option? For a clear understanding, open any pixel to percentage converter. By default, body text size for HTML is 16 pixels. So if 16 pixel is equal to 100%, then 10 pixel is equal to 62.5%. To make accessible websites, we have used rem values in all our blocks/templates, but we need 1 rem equal to 10 pixels because it's very understandable. If you want 1 rem equal to 16 pixels, then you can change it to 100% and click the Save Typography Setting button. But our recommendation is to use 62.5%, which means 1 rem is equal to 10 pixels. Thank you for watching.